Konnichiwa, Sensei. Watashi wa Rose Anurongan desu.
Watashi wa Ray Bolondra desu.
And this video, we will be reflecting on the film The Creator. We will explore how the movie portrays the relationship between human and artificial intelligence, the ethical dilemmas it presents, and how it addresses the potential benefits and risks of advanced technology. The movie portrays the war between human and AI because humans say that AI treat them.
And also human can accept that AI will the one lead the society.
The creator introduces several ethical dilemmas regarding the development and integration of AI and robots into society. One of example of ethical dilemma is the autonomy and control. One of the primary ethical concern is the level of autonomy that AI should possess. The film raises question about the whether advanced AI like Alfie should have the ability to make decisions independently of human control and the potential consequences of such autonomy.
Also, moral responsibility. Another dilemma is determining who is responsible for the action of AI. If an AI system causes harm, this is the fault of creators. The users of the AI itself, the movie explores this complexity through the action and decision of the AI characters.
The creator does a commendable job of highlighting both the benefits and risks of advanced technology, but particularly AI. So potential benefits is one example of innovative solution. The film shows how can AI provide innovative solution to complex problem, making the life easier and more efficient.
The potential risk, autonomous decision. The movie raised concern about the risks associated with giving AI too much autonomy. It shows scenarios where AI decisions unchecked by human oversight could lead to an unintended and potentially dangerous consequence.
And overall, The Creator is visually stunning and thought-provoking movie that explores some interesting ideas about artificial intelligence and humanity.
While it may not fully realize its potential, it's a solid addition to sci-fi genre and worth watching for fans of action-packed, through provoking cinema.